If you've ever sat down on a Toro zero turn and thought, man, I like the comfort, I like the seat, I like everything about it, and even with the arms in the fully extended position upwards, you don't fit. I find this happens a lot more on the MyRides because it seems like they just put the platform on top of the zero turn and didn't adjust the handles up at all. Well, good news, there is an extension kit that you can get from your Toro dealer that you can put on this machine or any of their machines out there and allow you to raise these arms up 2 inches to give you a little bit more comfortable position. This is your extension kit, and basically here's what you get inside. Not the prettiest, it's just a couple holes drilled in some tubular steel, a bolt, a couple nuts. We're going to install that basically right here. It's going to lift everything up. There is some instructions that come along with this if this video doesn't help you out, but we're going to go through this all so you won't need these. First thing we're going to do is remove these 2 bolts holding on this handle and retain them for use later. This is a 15mm socket. We bring our handle over to the bench and we're going to loosely connect up our extension to the handle. On the top where we have this elongated hole, we're going to have a spacer in here because you're going to tighten that bolt a little more than some of the others. So we'll just drop this spacer into place carefully, roll this bolt in, drop it through, connect the nut. Very simple. Do the same for the second. And we'll lightly tighten these up so we're still able to move them when they're on the machine. We'll bring our handle back over to the machine. These 2 holes are going to sit in these top 2 holes here, allowing this to be up a little higher. Should slide in pretty easy. We'll start these guys by hand. We're going to complete the other side and then we'll come back and adjust these up to where everything is comfortable for us. So everything is installed, but loosely installed. I wanted to check out where this is going to sit basically. So we want to get the arms in a comfortable position because you can adjust these from the factory as far back as they sit. So that would be all the way back. That's pretty comfortable for me. I like my arms a little bit closer so I'm not pushing too far forward. So all I have to do is get this other one set up so it is in the same position and then tighten everything up. After everything's tightened up, there is a significant difference here. Still very comfortable on the machine. My knees are up a little bit higher than they would if they would be on the normal non-MyRide machine, but it could be however you want to look at it. To me, these handles are in a better position for my body style. Sitting on this, I can move everything forward. I got back. Very comfortable and I have more room, and that is going to be a big deal for some people who are looking at these Toros who are either taller, have longer legs, a little bit bigger, anything that your body style doesn't fit. Just think about this extension, and if bringing these handles up 2 inches would help, ask about that extension and maybe you can get it included with your machine. The part is around $80, so it's not inexpensive. You can find different styles of these on eBay. I don't know if that's any different because after you get into shipping, they're around $70 anyway. This is a Toro part. It works, designed for the machine, and everything has very tight tolerances. Makes this much more comfortable to use. So if you're having a problem with this, check this out. We're going to have a full review on this mower coming up. I'll leave a link to that in the description. Thank you for your time. If this helps you out, leave a comment below. Let's talk about some of this stuff. Give us a like in this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Have a great day.